Doctors tell you to make sure you're getting all your vitamins.
Your mom tells you to drink up because this juice has all kinds of healthy vitamins, and you see labels everywhere saying vitamin fortified, meaning vitamins have been added. But what are vitamins? Why are they so important?
In simple terms, vitamins are organic substances that are found in many foods in small amounts. Vitamins are absolutely essential to our body's metabolism processes.
Vitamins provide no energy contribution, each of them do contribute to many different and important functions, including regulating the reactions that release energy. Vitamins are often referred to as coenzymes because most of them aid enzymes by acting as catalysts for essential chemical changes in the body. In our bodies, the functions of vitamins are mostly carried out in our cells. Vitamins dissolve into fat or water. Fat-soluble vitamins, vitamins A, D, E, and K, can be stored in body fat because they are hydrophobic. Hydrophobic means water-fearing or repelling water. Water-soluble hydrophilic vitamins, which include the vitamin B complex as well as vitamin C, primarily function as coenzymes that help the body obtain energy from food. Since the body can excrete water-soluble vitamins, we thought it would be better to focus on the 4 fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, and K, so you know what not to consume too much of and what's likely staying in your body for a while. The first of the fat-soluble vitamins is vitamin A. In addition to helping the eyes adjust to light changes, vitamin A plays an important role in bone growth, tooth development, reproduction, cell division, gene expression, and regulation of the immune system. The skin, eyes, and mucous membranes in the mouth, nose, throat, and lungs depend on vitamin A to remain moist. Vitamin A can be obtained by eating dairy products, fish, liver, fruits, and vegetables. The disease that results from vitamin A deficiency is known as xerophthalmia. It most commonly occurs in developing nations, usually due to malnutrition. It may take up to 2 years for signs of the deficiency to appear. Night blindness and very dry, rough skin may indicate a lack of vitamin A. Other signs of possible vitamin A deficiency include decreased resistance to infections, faulty tooth development, and slower bone growth. The next vitamin we will focus on is vitamin D. Vitamin D is extremely important in maintaining normal blood levels of calcium and phosphorus, helping the body's calcium so it can form and maintain strong bones, preventing osteoporosis, high blood pressure, cancer, and other diseases. There are 2 types of vitamins, vitamin D2 and D3. Vitamin D2 can be found in eggs, fish, and fortified foods like milk. Vitamin D3 is produced in human skin cells when it's exposed to sunlight, so get outside. If you don't get enough vitamin D or have a genetic deficiency, you may have some problems like rickets, osteomalacia, osteoporosis, or even depression. Rickets causes the softening or weakening of bones in children. Osteomalacia has the same symptoms but appears only in adults. The third fat-soluble vitamin is vitamin E. Vitamin E works as an antioxidant, which protects vitamins A and C, red blood cells, and essential fatty acids from destruction. Vitamin E protects the cell membrane from damage by reactive oxygen compounds called free radicals. Compounds form when our body converts the food we eat into energy. Free radicals can harm cells, tissues, and organs and have been shown to be correlated with aging. The body also needs vitamin E to help the immune system stay strong against viruses and bacteria. Cells can also use vitamin E to communicate with each other. Vitamin E is found in vegetable oils, nuts, seeds, green leafy vegetables, margarine, and fortified breakfast cereals. In the rare cases in which it exists, vitamin E deficiency is usually linked to certain diseases where fat is not properly digested or absorbed. Examples of these diseases include Crohn's disease, cystic fibrosis, a disorder which causes fatal damage to the lungs and digestive system, and certain rare genetic diseases such as
A-beta lipoproteinemia,
a disorder that affects the absorption of fats, cholesterol, and fat-soluble vitamins, and ataxia with vitamin E deficiency, a disorder that impairs the body's ability to use vitamin E. At worst, vitamin E deficiency can cause major nerve tissue damage in infants. Too much vitamin E can be just as detrimental. High doses of vitamin E might increase the risk of bleeding, especially in the brain. The next and final vitamin we will focus on is vitamin K. This vitamin is crucial for healthy blood clotting, for good bone health, and for aiding in the production of certain proteins that will be used in our kidneys, blood, and bones. Bacteria in our intestines naturally produce vitamin K. This amount is not enough to fuel all the things that the vitamin is needed for, so it's important to eat a good amount of leafy green vegetables and even foods that contain things like cottonseed oil, soybean oil, and olive oil to supplement the necessary amount of vitamins. An insufficient intake of vitamin K can lead to hemorrhaging, excessive and uncontrollable bleeding. On the other hand, too much vitamin K can lead to damage in our liver and blood cells and can lead to faulty blood clotting. Unfortunately, some people can't help getting vitamin deficiencies no matter how much of a certain vitamin they eat. Certain combinations of alleles can cause deficiencies in different vitamins. Many of the genetic deficiencies have to do with the vitamins that the body produces, rather than ones that are consumed. Usually the symptoms of these deficiencies can be reversed by taking supplements. However, for many of the vitamin deficiencies that have to do with the vitamins you consume, the body cannot process supplements, and doctors are looking into ways to treat these based on the genetics. So next time your doctor tells you to eat more vitamins, specifically fat-soluble ones, you know what foods to go to and why you need them.